You know me, I'm Gigi of GiGi Eats Celebrities. This right here is
Caroline, Dine with Caroline. How you guys doing?
Today, we're gonna do something really weird. And Caroline's just here because she wants to have some of my chocolate, which is going to be incorporated into what we are doing today. When I created this chocolate with the good chocolate, we were discussing like different flavors and all that kind of shit. And me being the salmon queen, I was like, hey, so we should make a salmon chocolate. The good chocolate was like, no, but maybe I'll make you one bar and you can see how it is for yourself. But that hasn't happened yet, so I am gonna take the reins here with Caroline and we're gonna make chocolate covered salmon.
So we're gonna take vegan chocolate, right?
Yes.
So this is totally vegan.
Totally vegan chocolate.
This is my side of this recipe.
Exactly. Caroline's only here for the chocolate. The
I'm here for
salmon,
the
that's
choc.
me. For this recipe though, I'm not sure I'm gonna call this a recipe actually, for this experiment.
Experimente.
The good chocolate sent me a huge box. Did you smell it?
Yeah.
It smells amazing.
amazing.
They sent a lot of chocolate. 2 huge hunks of
Wow,
chocolate,
that's
and
a
it's
lot.
really good. This is the vegan milk too.
Wow.
They sent the specific vegan milk. There's no cocoa nibs or crispy crystals in it though.
Okay.
Just the vegan milk so we can melt it.
Cool.
And get to business.
Awesome.
And then this one is the sea salt version.
Ooh.
Yeah. You want to try some?
I do.
All right. Hello.
Hunka.
Would you like a piece
Hunka
of this?
chocolata.
So creamy, right? By the way, it's sugar-free, dairy-free, nut-free, egg-free, soy-free, everything frickin' free except for taste because
Right.
it's got a lot of really tasty taste.
Delicious flavor, delicious consistency. It's not even overwhelming too. I don't, if I bit into a traditional milk chocolate bar, this being this thick, no pun intended, I'd be overwhelmed by this thickness that like, I'm gonna need something to drink. It's
Yeah.
not just good by itself. I could literally sit without any glass of water, any glass of milk, any glass of anything, and wolf it,
Yeah.
literally. It's just so fluffy.
It's so good on its own. But
delicious.
we're gonna see if it's good with salmon. Okay, everybody. Caroline got what she wanted. She got her melted chocolate, and it's delightful. We
So
just
good.
put like a little bit of coconut milk in there to make it a little bit liquidy, so we could create this nice chocolate sauce for my salmon.
Would you look at that? I've never seen anything like this before.
It kind of looks good. If you didn't know this was chocolate, which to be completely honest with you, looking at it, you're like, yeah, it's chocolate. Things are about to get sexual. Ooh, that good chocolate. This is about to go down. This is
taste
about
test.
to go down. I got chocolate on my salmon.
Is it weird or is it okay?
It's fucking terrible. It's fucking terrible!
It's fucking terrible.
It's so not good! Okay, salmon by itself is amazing. Chocolate by itself is amazing. If those forces combine, it's not a good time.
Oh shit.
Do not combine chocolate and salmon. I know that I did make a YouTube video in the past where I made chocolate chip salmon pancakes, but the reason why those were good is because I added a lot of sweetener to it. Yeah, so you didn't even taste the salmon, but this is just chocolate and salmon. Caroline, I really wish you could try this.
I know.
I'm gonna go for more because I need to really confirm to myself that this is not good.
Not good. Do you want more chocolate? You good?
Oh yeah, dump it on there. You might as well.
Yeah. Fill her up.
All right, all right.
Better?
No.
She said, no.
Yeah, I'm still eating it for some reason. I don't know why. I don't want to waste food, and I'm not going to waste food because,
You can just wash it off.
yeah, I'm gonna keep the chocolate sauce separate, and then I'm gonna wash the sauce real quick. The nice thing is I have that other piece of air fried salmon right there, so I didn't ruin both pieces, thank God. I totally understand why the Good Chocolate didn't want to make a salmon chocolate now.
I love it. I can't believe we did this.
I know.
It's fucking epic. Seriously, this is amazing. We
Oh,
gave it a try.
God. You can't win them all.
Nope.
But thanks for watching this YouTube video. We will see you again real soon. All right, I'm actually gonna eat the salmon now. I'm gonna get the other one real quick. Oh.
Don't put chocolate on salmon.
Don't ever